YouTube, you don't know what time it is in a gang. Yeah, man, the Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, and today we're there with none other than Mr. Dan Guffy them himself. Yeah, man, Bayka and DJ Matt, the one named Miss Pretty. We're gonna check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man, dog, let's make it talk about a pretty fine thing in the one from the title. You see me answer gang? Yeah, man, we not all be very much longer. Let's get it. Mr. Guffy them, and DJ Matt, Miss Pretty. Let's get it. Easy now. Yes.
Black's the man.
The view was nice. Yes, go on through. Yes, man, split on everything, man. Go on through.
You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. I know say she cock up and broad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. One scream and cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. I know say she cock up.
Oh this, how is Miss Pretty? How is she? She cock up and bad for you. How is she?
And broad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. Make you scream and cock up and bad. Nah, no option. All she want is sit the fishy dung pan. Call them up for the sit the fishy bones pan. Waterworks and the dark night dungeon. Water park when you come in night, girl shan. No me dark, me put it on the nightstand. Stop to work, walk keep in a
no me dark, me put it on the nightstand, mama. Go on, Joe.
Waterworks and the dark night dungeon. Water park when you come in night, girl shan. No me dark, me put it on the nightstand. Stop to work, walk keep in a
water park when you come in the girl shan, mama. What?
Water park when you come in night, girl shan. No me dark, me put it on the nightstand. Stop to work, walk keep in a my life, girl. Stop to work, walk stab every night, girl. Bubble up, trouble up. Don't pause the track outside, would I get cash formula?
Get the pan weight to blood clean, put it on the scale.
Pause the track outside.
Oh wait, what you here? 100 pound, easy mama, go on Joe.
Get a one touch and I call me back. Brother, me a back truck, pretty mommy, what's up? Get a girl, I told
like me a back truck, mama, pretty mama. What's up, mama?
Me a back truck, pretty mommy, what's up? Get a girl, I told me talk. Bad, fuck your heart, spend money and a luck. Take a girl, she'll be sitting till it buck. Brace it up, mama.
Yeah, man.
You miss
till it buck, you know, like.
Pretty, oh this pretty. I'm no say she cock up and broad.
Yes, man.
You miss pretty, oh this pretty. Want to scream and cock up and bad.
I ain't gonna lie, they don't Riddim bad, man. This is I wish this is the remake. I Fiesta Riddim this come back. You know.
You miss pretty.
Let me know in the comment section.
Oh this pretty. I'm no say she cock up and broad. You miss pretty, oh this pretty. Make you scream and cock up and bad. Chappy make you bounce up. Love when I get the kitty thump up. Mama make you turn stop. Start screaming, she a grip.
Yeah, man, Chappy make you bounce up, mama. Yeah.
Start screaming, she a grip. Love you, I'm more I'm deep boss, tip girl, them shit. Love it when you bring it off. Slap it hard and I knock it like a coming out.
Folks into this, you know that. Yeah, man, folks into this. Hey, you Miss Pretty, yeah, you Miss Pretty, yeah, no, yeah, cock up and bad. Hey!
Get chain or something shot. Get me tough so you know you have to broke it off. Don't pause the track outside, would I get cash formula? Get a one touch and I call me back. Brother, me a back truck, pretty mommy, what's up? Get a girl, I told me talk. Bad, fuck your heart, spend money and a luck.
Hey, go on, on the scale, mama. Oh, you hear enough? 100 pound, me tell you.
Take a girl, she'll be sitting till it buck. Brace it up, mama, lace it up. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. I'm no say she cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. When you scream and cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. I'm no say she cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty. Make you scream and cock up and bad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you Miss Pretty, yeah, you Miss Pretty, no say you cock up and bad. You make you cock up and ball. Easy.
You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty, I'm no say she cock up and bad. What's up? You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty, when you scream and cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty, oh this pretty, I'm no say she cock up and bad. You Miss Pretty,
you Miss,
oh this pretty, make you scream and cock up and bad.
Yeah.
Black's the man.
Yeah, man, boy, yeah, man, Bayka. Yeah, man, that's a dope ass track. Yeah, man, my bad, I was lost a while ago. Yeah, man, gang, but yeah. Dope ass track. Bayka did this thing. Is the first one to drop on the Down Riddim? No, somebody has dropped before him, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong again. But yeah, I believe that's the remake of the Fiesta Riddim. Let me know if I'm wrong as well. But yeah, man, Bayka did this thing on this one. I definitely like the visuals. You see me have the girl them going, hey, you miss pretty, you miss pretty. Yeah, man, this rhythm is definitely be a girl tune. Well, they have some bad man tune, man, rhythm too, you know. You see me say so. It's all about the artists, them how they choose to approach it. You see me say, gang. But yeah, man, it's a good look. Big up Bayka. Yeah, man, definitely fun track. I know the ladies gonna love that. Definitely something for the ladies that move to in the dance and parties if these DJs start being lazy. You see me say, but yeah, man, definitely a fun track for the girls them dance and wind up themselves and you know have a vibe to in the club, night party, man. It's a good love. Bayka definitely found a club banger with this one if it DJs them would, as I said, catch on and you know. But yeah, juggling is back, so hopefully everything will be dancer will be back and nice again. You see me I say, Also, gang, yeah, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. If you like it, if you can show the artist all over and support, make you know say the dance, send drop your requests, drop a shout out. You don't know, road to 15K, gang, so hit the like and subscribe button. If people get there, you know, I'm trying to do it this month. Now February. You see me, that'll be a late birthday present to myself. You see me trying to drop down 1,500 subs, gang. We can't do it, don't it? Yeah, man, we not play with the road. Yeah, man, till next time, gang, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.